Are we flying to the airport?
Huh?
Are we flying to the airport?
Yeah.
Are you the captain? You're the captain. Yeah, do that again. That's a throttle. Who is that?
Huh?
Who is that?
Daddy, airplane.
Christopher's flying the airplane. Hey, look. Hey, look. I'm the passenger. Is she in first class?
I'm in first class. Come sit down.
She snuck up in first class. She shouldn't be up there. Everyone's ready to go.
Are you
What?
You're the captain?